going on YouTube? I guess YouTube. It's going to be my first video where I'm going to be actually talking to you guys. We're going to make a bit of a vlog. We're going to the track today, so we're going to go meet up with Vitto, Serena, and Jordan. I don't know if Jordan's going to be tracking or not, but we'll find out when we get there. And let's head up to the meetup spot. Well, we're all here. So Jordan's not tracking. Vitto's tracking. I'm tracking. Serena's tracking. This will be interesting. This will be very interesting. Alright, so we made it down. We're just getting all our stuff out of our car.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Vitto's gonna... What are you gonna do today, Vitto?
120.
124? Okay.
Maybe a 23, just for you. Just for you, Michael.
I'm gonna try and do a 120... 124? Yeah, I can do a 124. We'll see. It's gonna be a good number. So we just gotta wait for all these motorcycles to clear off the track, and then we can get out there. We got about 3 minutes before we're supposed to start, so this isn't looking too good.
Yeah,
so, Vitto, review.
The review. Oh wait, don't swear. Hold on. Beat the review. Yeah.
Nailed it.
God damn it.
Yeah, this is a busy day.
Yeah, a lot of traffic. My son. Yeah, a lot of traffic out there. A lot of amateurs, to say the least. We'll see how it goes.
I'm not happy. We'll see. It was just a warm up. There's a lot of people out there. Alright, so Vitto's gonna take me for a lap in his car. We're gonna go over and make sure his brakes are all bedded properly. And we gotta hear this crazy acuity intake that he's got. This thing is insane. Oh, look at all the carbon fiber.
So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 cars lined up right now.
So this is what today's gonna be like.
This is fucking ridiculous.
A car just went off the track, so they got the yellow flag up. There's a lineup to get on.
I'm trying to get my seating position.
This is why we have Jordan, our scout.
Red
flag?
Yeah, this is... Alright, looks like I'm getting back out of my chair.
Someone died. Someone died.
Let's go see the death.
He went off pretty bad.
Where did he go off?
You went off turn 2, like
turn
there's
two,
a
right?
huge cut of that.
So I pushed the Mustang off there.
Yeah, them too.
This lens actually has a decent zoom on it.
That ditch turned into the hell ditch now.
Shape? Oh my god, that lineup. Oh, this is gonna be so much traffic. Bad idea coming here today. Okay, going on the track, round 2 in Vitto's car. Let's see if we can actually get on this time.
Hopefully we don't turn into a meme.
Somebody already went off, so...
2 people.
2 people.
3 people.
Probably
M2
4.
Mustang SI.
We'll see. We'll see.
Should I tell you? Oh, beeping.
So 10 minutes later, we're still trying to get on the track. Got a Christmas tree on the dash. Okay, well, I'll be done so far as a 1:26.3. That was the best time today. I don't know. That's all I got. Vitto so far got a 24.1, so that's pretty good. He got his car working, the tune, I'm not sure what happened, but it started working. So, it's working, right?
It's working.
Fast lane with Vitto got a
Fixed
fast
it.
lane.
Get a 124.1.
0.1.
We're gonna get a 192.
Ooh.
It's a fact. It has been a factor.
So Vitto just pulled a sneaky and somehow went ahead of 6 people. What? I wish I could actually get that on camera. That didn't make any sense. Mr. Fastlane with Vitto, what did you say?
That is a 23.4, ladies and gentlemen.
23.4?
23.4.
Show the proof, show the proof.
Hold on, how do we do this? Sessions. No, on the 121. Oh yeah, best lap. You gotta zoom into there, you do a little twisty. 123.44.
My God.
All right, so 122 next.
So now I'm 121.9 next. The gloves, I'm telling you.
But they did the first like high ground and going. Like some stores are sitting.
Well, it looks like we hit a ton of traffic.
I'm on the highway right now. Where is it? Yeah, like what am I supposed to do here? I'm gonna pass it
We're gonna get one good flying lap. Everyone's out of our way. Maximum power. Oh my God.
Alright, my last chance. Here we go. That was good.
No, you got this.
Come on. Oh, 23.3.
Still good, still good.
Still beat it.
All right, so to close this all out, let's see how everyone did. Woo.
Am I first?
Sure, Vitto.
Well, we battled through some lows. Did 123.3.
This guy just has to brag about it. I did a 23.3.
23.3. No, I felt good. Felt good. Getting used to those big brakes, I'll tell you.
This thing feels so much more race car. It's come so far. Day after he buys this thing, track right away. Disgusting. And Serena, how did you do?
I'm in the 20s.
20 what?
29.
Okay, well,
Look how doo-doo these
what
are.
were you last time?
31.
Exactly, so
You
you...
should not bounce that much. On fully stiff, these coils are doo-doo.
Oh my god. Race car brake dust. That is disgusting. And that, kids, is why you do not use white wheels for track wheels.
They're ceramic coated though.
Oh, it's ceramic coated. Wow, they're still black.
Run away then.
Jordan, stop running away! Overall, good track day. There's a lot of traffic. Vitto did really well. I didn't do as well as I hoped to do. I just gotta get back out there and I gotta play with my gearing next time because I don't know. Just gotta figure it out. I'm gonna look at the data, see what I can pull. Ran into a little bit of mechanical issues. End link came loose, so I had to stop for a little bit trying to get that tightened up. Don't even want to go on about it, and it's already loose again. I can hear it. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll throw in some clips, and see you next time.